In the case of this vessel, the neck was formed entirely by the mechanical force of pulling out. Gravity wasn't involved. It was pulled out both on the blowpipe and when transferred to the punty, the neck was made even longer. Glass has been gathered on the blowpipe, an initial bubble formed, the tip marvered to cool it and make sure that it stays the thickest part. A bubble is blown and divided into approximately two halves. The lower half or outer half will become the vessel body, the upper half will become the tubular neck. And with pulling, the mechanical force of simply pulling out, the tube is made longer and longer. A slight constriction is made near the blowpipe so the vessel can be broken free of it later in the process. The end of the bubble, the bulbous part, is reheated. The neck is cooled a little bit. The bubble is blown larger. The bubble is blown while holding the blowpipe downward, and it's tapped against a cold piece of kiln shelf. This shapes the bubble and keeps the bottom from blowing out convex. This vessel has an annular punty mark. It was broken free of the blowpipe, flipped around, and puntied on the moil, the glass left on the end of the blowpipe. The end is reheated. There's a folded rim, so the edge is pushed inward with the conical tool. And after reheating, the rim is given a flare. And after reheating, the neck is held at the base of the flare and pulled outward. And after more reheating, the neck is made longer and longer. The vessel is flashed in the furnace, and broken free of the blowpipe punty. And this leaves the characteristic ring-type punty mark. The vessel is then placed in the annealing oven for slow cooling.